Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today I am discussing MCQ questions on cost accounting part 2, which is the part of 100 MCQ questions on cost accounting. The first part is available at I button. So let us start with part 2, another 25 questions. Question number 1, cost of money locked up in inventory obsolescence, etc. are examples of A. Normal cost, B. Carrying cost, C. Unavoidable cost, D. Marginal cost. The correct answer is carrying cost. Question number 2. Costs incurred for the maintenance of inventory is called carrying cost, ordering cost, A. Carrying cost, B. Ordering cost, C. Period cost, D. Explicit cost. The correct answer is carrying cost. Cost incurred for the maintenance of inventory is called carrying cost. Question number 3. Cost incurred for production of new product or improved method of production is A. Replacement cost, B. Development cost, C. Differential cost, D. None of the above. The correct answer is replacement cost. Cost incurred for production of new product or improved method of product is replacement cost. Question number 4. Cost which is related to current period as an expense is known as dash dash dash. A. Implicit cost, B. Marginal cost, C. Carrying cost, D. None of the above. The correct answer is none of the above. Question number 5. Cost to be incurred at present or in future to replace an asset or material is A. Development cost, B. Research cost, C. Expired cost, D. Replacement cost. The correct answer is D. Replacement cost. Question number 6. Change in cost due to change in the level of activity is called dash dash. A. Marginal cost, B. Differential cost, C. Abnormal cost, D. Uncontrollable cost. The correct answer is B. Differential cost. Change in the cost due to change in the level of activity is called differential cost. Question number 7. Incremental cost and decremental costs are the classification of A. Marginal cost, B. Abnormal cost, C. Uncontrollable cost, D. Differential cost. The correct answer is D. Differential cost. The incremental cost and decremental costs are the classification or types of differential cost. Question number 8. When cost increases due to change in the level of activity, such increase is known as A. Unavoidable cost, B. Uncontrollable cost, C. Incremental cost, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Incremental cost. Question number 9. Any cost ascertained after being incurred and has no use in cost control decisions are called A. Predetermined cost, B. Historical cost, C. Unavoidable cost, D. None of the above. The correct answer is historical cost. Question number 10. The additional cost incurred to produce one additional unit is called dash dash. A. Incremental cost, B. Development cost, C. Marginal cost, D. Cost of production. The correct answer is C. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the cost incurred to produce one more unit. Question number 11. Which among the following is the cost of searching for a new product or improved products or improved methods of production? A. Normal cost. B. Research cost. C. Product cost. D. Opportunity cost. The correct answer is B. Research cost. Question number 12. Which of the following is correct about normal cost? A. Irregular and unexpected cost. B. Charge to costing profit and loss account. C. Part of the cost of production. D. All the above. The correct answer is part of cost of production. Question number 13. Which among the following is correct about abnormal cost? A. Expected at a given level of output. B. Charge to costing profit and loss account. C. Part of cost of production. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Charge to costing profit and loss account. Question number 14. Which among the following costs are charged to costing profit and loss account? A. Estimated cost. B. Controllable cost. C. Normal cost. D. Abnormal cost. The correct answer is D. Abnormal cost. Question number 15. Normal costs are generally dash costs. A. Controllable. B. Uncontrollable. C. Discriminatory. D. Avoidable. The correct answer is B. Uncontrollable cost. Normal costs are generally unavoidable costs. Question number 16. Predetermined cost based on the technical estimate for materials, labor, and overheads for a selected period of time and for a prescribed set of working conditions is known as standard cost, budgeted cost, normal cost, avoidable cost. The correct answer is standard cost. A. Standard cost. Question number 17. An estimate of expenditure for different phases of business operations for a period of time in future is called A. Budgeted cost. B. Variable cost. C. Estimated cost. D. Development cost. The correct answer is A. Budgeted cost. Question number 18. Items of cost like wages, rent, etc., which involves cash payment to outsiders are A. Normal cost. B. Product cost. C. Out of pocket cost. D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Out of pocket cost. Question number 19. Costs required for production and will not be incurred if there is no production are A. Product cost. B. Direct cost. C. Period cost. D. Committed cost. The correct answer is A. Product cost. Costs required for production and will not be incurred if there is no production. Cost are product cost. Question number 20. Which among the following is not a part of product cost? A. Direct material. B. Direct labor. C. Selling overheads. D. Factory overheads. The correct answer is C. Selling overheads. So selling overheads are not the part of product cost. They are the selling and distribution expenses. Question number 21. Items of cost like wages, rent, etc., which involve cash payment to outsiders are called A. Explicit cost. B. Period cost. C. Product cost. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Explicit cost. Question number 22. Certain costs, also known as economic costs, which do not involve immediate cash payments are called dash dash. A. Explicit cost. B. Indirect cost. C. Avoidable cost. D. Implicit cost. The correct answer is D. Implicit cost. Question number 23. Cost which can be directly identified with and allocated to cost units or center. A. Indirect cost. B. Direct cost. C. Product cost. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Direct cost. Direct costs are directly identified and allocated to the cost unit or cost center. Question number 24. Overheads or on cost is a total of A. All direct expenses. B. All indirect expenses. C. Direct expenses plus factory overhead. D. None of the above. The correct answer is B. All the indirect expenses. Last question. Question number 25. Prime cost is a total of A. All direct expenses. B. All indirect expenses. C. Direct expenses plus factory overhead. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. All direct expenses. Prime cost is the total of all direct expenses. Please subscribe the channel so that you are benefited, and if you want to see the previous questions, so go to the I button, you will get there. Thank you.